Hello, this is Ruby Jane. So I will discuss the primary classification. So, ang focus nitong primary classification is lahat ng whirl pattern. Yung primary classification, ang focus niya lang palagi is sa whirl pattern. So, yung whirl pattern natin is may 4 kinds, which is the plain whirl, central pocket loop whirl, double loop, and accidental. So, yung plain whirl, ang symbol niya is W. Take note of this. Kasi, yung plain whirl, ang symbol niya is W, not P. Again, yung symbol ng plain whirl is W, not P. So, yung central pocket loop whirl naman, ang pattern niya, ay ang symbol niya is C. Yung double loop, ang symbol niya is D. And this, accidental. Yung accidental, ang pattern niya is X, not A. Take note of this accidental and plain whirl kasi baka makalimutan nyo yung symbol nito na plain whirl which is W and yung accidental na ang pattern is X, not A. Again, yung primary classification natin, ang focus niya lang is whirl pattern. Whirl pattern. So, yung whirl pattern natin is may 4 na kinds. Plain whirl, central pocket loop whirl, double loop, and accidental. Plain whirl, W, central, C, double loop, D, accidental, X. So, take note of this. NEDO. So, itong NEDO is ang nagbigay nitong acronym is si Dream Coach. Take note of this. Yung NE stands for numerator, which numerator or even numbers. Yung even numbers natin is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yung denominator naman or odd numbers, ito yung mga 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Take note na sa primary classification, ang hinahanap lang natin is yung whirl pattern na may numerical value. Ano ba yung mga numerical value? Yung 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. So, itong 16, para siya sa finger 1, which is the right thumb, or finger 2, and finger 2, right index. Ang value ng finger 1 and finger 2 natin is 16. Yung finger 3 naman, right middle, and finger 4, which is right ring, ang value niya is 8. Take note of this because there's a big possibility na dito kumuha ng questions yung examiner. Then, yung finger 5, right little, and finger 6, left thumb, ang value niya is 4. Yung finger 7, left index, finger 8, left middle, ang value niya is 2. Yung finger 9 and finger 10, ang value niya is 1. So, here's the summary. 16, ang value ng finger 1 and finger 2 is 16. Ang value ng 8 is para sa finger 3 and finger 4. Ang value naman ng 4 para sa finger 5 and finger 6. Yung value naman na 2 para sa finger 7 and finger 8. Yung value na 1 for fingers number 9 and finger 10. So, take note of this. Take note na sa primary classification, 'di ba, ang hinahanap lang ng primary classification is whirl pattern. All whirl pattern, which is the plain whirl, double loop, accidental, and central. Lahat to, ang value niya is 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. Depende sa finger na paglalagyan nito. So, lahat ng loops and arch na makikita nyo sa fingerprint card, ang value niya is 0. Again, kapag may nakita kayong loop and arch na pattern sa fingerprint card, ang value niya is 0. Tapos, again, balik tayo, yung primary classification, ang focus nilang palagi is for whirl pattern. All whirl pattern. Nagets? If not, study well.